Okay, so I've got a door actuator from a Lexus NX200T. It's the driver's door. So it's non-functional right now, so we tested it. So we pulled it out, we hooked the power up to the opposite side, so to the passenger side, just to prove it out. And when we did that, it's still dead. So we pretty much determined that it's toast. So we're going to try to get into it and see if we can change the motor. So comparing it to some other stuff I found online, looks like the motor's sitting right about here. So we're going to cut a bit of a window with the Dremel and then see what that looks like.
Might get you can hold it though. Until there. I won't cut your finger off or something.
I had one for $400. That's still gonna have the same problem. Oh my god. Be gentle with it. It's not gentle. We gotta put this back on.
More Dremel work. Alright, there you go. Motor's out. Okay, so after some experimentation, pretty sure this motor's hooped. So I got a new one off of Amazon. Let's see if I can get it to focus on the numbers for you. Yeah, so we'll pop this out. We'll pull the worm gear off. Clean it up really good. We'll clean up in here too the best we can. And I got a little bit of silicone lubricant. This case super lube that we'll kind of smear on there. And make sure to get a little bit on the tip here. And clean out. Alright, so we'll slide that onto the motor. There we go. And we'll get that guy back in there. What's the other way around? Oh, no. Get that in the hole. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, upside down. There we go. Okay. Make sure that's in the hole there. And then it just snaps in. Okay. Bring on the tape. Okay, test. Oh yeah, noticeable difference, much stronger, doesn't skip a beat. So that motor was the ticket. Oh, right on.
Okay, you can pop that off again. There's your
Okay.
specialty.
Well, we decided we better add more tape, so we taped the hell out of it. You want to flip it over? Yeah. Anyway, that's our solution. Seems to work. We're gonna put it back together. Okay, give her. Okay, we're putting her back together. Alright, so Scott's threading it in. He's got up in this corner, there's the little bar with the star shape on the end for the key lock on the handle. And then he's got to get that lined up. He's got to get this into place, and then there's that steel bar that runs in there too that again, we didn't show taking it apart, but there's other videos on YouTube on the disassembly that you can look at.
The hardest part is putting in
anyways,
the top piece.
The trouble is trying to get everything lined up and get everything to snap into place the way it should. So.
Throw one in, try it again.
Alright, don't, oh, I guess, yeah, if you do that, then the electric might help, yeah.
Maybe that's why it didn't. Because I thought it wiggled a bit.
It should still, you should still be able to unlock it with the key, even if you don't have power. That's the whole reason why you have that.
That's why, remember I felt it.
Yeah. So it shouldn't really matter,
Maybe
but.
it will help it click into that first spot.
Alright, let's try it again.
Okay, 1 second, I'm gonna unplug it.
Yeah, unplug it and see.
So it is working, right?
Well, for the most part, anyway. Yeah, you just can't do that, can you? Hey? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that's another.
Okay, so we're in the right spot. We're good. Okay.
Okay. Should we test it? Make sure it still works? Nah.
Yeah.
Well, it helped. It did. It helped, right?
Yeah, I'm
I
sure
thought
it's
you
fine, but I would, yeah, close that up and then I'll put the last 2 screws in, make sure everything's tight.
My phone out.
Yeah, don't leave your phone in there. That would be awkward.
I'm gonna put. I need that for the window.
Oh yeah, right. The other thing we're doing is we're hooking the track for the window back up. So to get that piece out of there, we had to disconnect the window track and just kind of push it out of the way. So Scott's just putting it back in the right spot, putting the bolt back in. John, your head's in the way. All right, we got a helper today.
Yep.
You good helper, Jonathan?
There, you want to turn that? Close. Wait, I'll hold it here. You move this up and down. There we go.
Good work.
There, perfect. Good. That's good.
All right, good enough. Okay, those are all good. Okay, all right, put those through. Yep, okay. Now I'll put the plastic back on, and then we can put the door panel back on. And where's this one go, Scott? This one goes through here. Okay. And you can see we had to patch the plastic. We had a little tear on when we were taking it apart, so a little bit of tuck tape, and we're good as new. Alright, we're going to test it once more. Yep, we're still good. So. Okay, plastic's back on. Now we need a door panel, hey?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, it is in the back seat. Yeah, we're just putting the door panel back on. It should just snap right into place. So, yeah, we gotta get those through.
In there and there.
Okay, I didn't do that part, so.
You did.
No, you pulled that apart.
No, I didn't. I said, remember?
Okay.
The only
Okay, we're putting the cables back in. So we got one on the top, one on the bottom. Yep, they just kind of slide in and snap into place. You can do it.
That's the right spot.
That's the right spot. Just gotta push it in. Here, I'll hold this.
You got it?
Yep, I got it. There you go. Okay.
Now, hit the button.
Okay. Now
Make sure this acts properly.
we're gonna do one more test here. Make sure that that does what it's supposed to. Looks like we're in business. Okay. And just snapping the panel back in now that we got.
About right.
Yeah.
How's your door look?
Oh, yeah.
That's the right spot. Okay. Oh yeah. Sounds right. Alright, so the big long silver one goes there.
With the washer.
Well, with the washer, goes in the door. Oh, Jonathan, get your head out of the way. And the third one goes. And the third one goes in here. Jonathan just can't, he's got to have his head in there, hey? He's got to be part of the action.
Star.
Yeah, he's the star of the show, hey? Okay. Alright, now we're just gonna pop the panels back on. Oh, a little piece of matting. And that guy, little plastic piece pops in there. You know what you're doing?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, got her. Okay. And the last piece, I guess, hey?
Yeah.
Yep, hook up all your connectors and pop it in. Yeah, they only fit in one way, so
We're gonna test it before we.
pretty hard to screw this one up.
You say so, but.
Just make sure they all get plugged in.
I know that's the problem. Where does this one go? The problem is, like, once I put this in, I lose. The other one goes
Push
over.
that in.
The other one goes over.
Just push it in.
Let me lose space.
Yep, that'll hang in there. Okay.
There was no other ones that we had to connect, right?
Alright, we found out where the little one goes. It goes inside and connects up to the seat memory adjuster thing. So, kind of hard to see here, but anyway, it goes in down there. Okay, so we got the one connector in here for the memory adjust, and we got two here for the console. Oh, drop it in. Nope, still works. We're in business. You need the key on for that. You need the key for the Windows to work, or hit start, or turn it on. Well, without starting it, I don't know how you do that.
Where's the start button?
I think the car has to be on for the windows.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah, we clearly don't know how to run this car, but we fixed it. Okay, snap that into place.
Hey.
We're in business. Hey, look at that. It's almost like we know what we're doing, hey?
Yeah. Can we go that far?